How to make plov, simple Uzbek rice pilaf recipe. Craving a rich, hearty dish packed with fragrant spices? Let's make plov, Uzbekistan's beloved comfort food. This easy recipe will bring the irresistible aroma of tender meat, sweet carrots, and perfectly cooked rice into your kitchen. Get ready for a step-by-step guide anyone can master. Start with 500 gr lamb or beef, cut into small chunks, 500 gr rice, 150 gr carrots, thinly sliced, and a large onion, sliced. Don't forget 1 head of garlic, 100 ml or vegetable oil, cumin, salt and pepper. Bonus, add raisins or chickpeas to enhance your plov. In a large pot or kazan, pour in the oil and heat it over medium heat. The oil sets the stage for the bold flavors, so make sure it's hot enough before proceeding to the next step. Add the prepared meat to the hot oil and fry until it's beautifully golden brown. This step locks in the flavor, creating a savory base for your pilaf masterpiece. Add the onions and carrots into the pot, cooking until they're soft and fragrant. Layer the rinsed rice evenly on top without stirring. Add water to cover the rice, tuck in the garlic and sprinkle with cumin. Cover and simmer to perfection. Once the water is absorbed and the rice is tender, your plov is ready. Gently mix everything together to distribute the flavors evenly. Serve steaming hot and enjoy. Bring the taste of Uzbekistan to your kitchen today. Watch, try, and let us know how your plov turned out in the comments. Don't forget to share this recipe with fellow cooking enthusiasts. Let's make homemade plov a global favorite.